Experiencing hate from others is common, but how you respond can make a difference. If you've wronged someone, apologize and seek to make amends. However, if the hate is based on your identity or personal preferences, stand firm in who you are and protect yourself mentally and physically. Ignoring unwarranted hostility is often the best approach, as haters thrive on reactions. For bullies who exhibit repetitive behavior and a power imbalance, passive methods may be more effective, while confrontation may be necessary for other haters. Project confidence by responding positively and assertively to insults, and consider avoiding negative environments to boost your self-esteem. If the situation escalates, don't hesitate to involve authority figures. While it's beneficial to prove haters wrong through your achievements, do so for your own satisfaction rather than to spite them. Lastly, maintain composure when addressing haters directly. Avoid rash emotional responses and always prioritize non-violent resolutions.